If you're experiencing login errors on WhatsApp, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may prevent you from accessing your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update WhatsApp. Make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Go to your App Store, search for WhatsApp, and update it if a new version is available. Step 3. Verify your phone number. Double check that you are entering your phone number correctly, including the country code. If necessary, request a new verification code and enter it promptly. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to see if the issue is fixed. Step 5. Clear app cache. If the problem persists, try clearing the app cache. Go to your device's settings, find WhatsApp in the app list, and select the option to clear cache. Restart the app afterward. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to WhatsApp support for further assistance.